Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix apps not opening in Windows 10. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. I will show you 13 methods to fix this issue. One of that method will definitely fix your issue. First and basic one is restart your PC. To restart that, just go to search bar and tap on power and tap on restart. Then it will be restart your computer. Then after you can check the application is working or not. If it is still has issue, you can go with next step. Okay, second method is you can check the Windows updates. So for that, just go to search bar, search for Windows updates. You can see the first option, check for updates. Just tap on it. Alright, you can see I have update this amount of megabytes, and if you see this kind of message appear, just tap on download. Then it will be download the update, and then after restart your computer, then you can again check that application is working or not. And if you see no updates available, you can go with next steps. Yeah, third one is reinstall the application. And none of the previous methods are not worked, you have to reinstall the application. To uninstall the application, just go to again search bar, tap on apps, search for apps. You can see apps and features under the system setting, just tap on it. Then you can see all the application installed on your computer. In my case, if you think the Audacity is not working, just tap on that one, tap on uninstall, and again tap on uninstall. Then it will be completely removed from your computer. Then after, you need to download that application from the internet, then after install it. Alright, next step is check the app permissions. To do that, just go to search bar again, tap on privacy. You can see the privacy setting under the system setting, just tap on it. And you can see the left side menu, Windows permissions and app permissions. As an example, I'm going to camera. So main option is allow apps to access your camera is turned on. And scroll down a little bit, you can see these are the application can access the camera permission. So if you don't need to some kind of application to access camera, just switch off from it. Okay. Alright, so yeah, next method is reset the application. To reset application, you have to again go to app and features, just tap on apps. Then you can see apps and features here, just tap on it. Okay, then scroll down a little bit. Find the application you need to reset. In my case, it is Audacity. Yeah, I think that one has not reset option. Yeah, some application has the modify, yeah, this kind of option available, but some application has not. So it depends on the application. So yeah, if you see this kind of modify kind of thing, just tap on it. Then you can do some modification of the application, like reset the application kind of thing. Then you can check whether that application is working or not. Yeah, but that is not available for all the application. Okay. The next method is clear the Microsoft Store cache. To do that, just go to search bar again, search for run application. You can see this one, just tap on it. Yeah, in here you have to type ws reset reset .exe and tap on OK. Now you can see this kind of command line interface, and then after open the Microsoft Store. That means the application Microsoft Store is resetted and cache is removed. Okay, then after we go to next method. Then after you can check perform a system file check. To do that again go to search bar, search for CMD, and remember you have to run it as administrator. Just tap on first option, tap on yes. Okay, now you have to type this command sfc space / scan now. Okay, then after you have to tap on enter, then it will be scan the whole application and your system. If there is a problem with the application, it will be fixed. Okay, yeah, so I'm not going to do that right now, just close that. Then after you can